Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to lock some cells in Excel. So why should I lock some cells in a worksheet? So let's say I have a team and I want to give my team members a template of Excel which contains some important formulas. So I need to protect those cells where there are those formulas so that no one else can change it or delete it or do any kind of misuse. So in this video we'll see with an example how to do that. This is the template which we had created in one of our previous videos. If you want to see the video how to create your own template, I'll put the link in the description box. You can check it out. So in this template, you can see here in these cells, it contains some formulas. So these are the formulas. Okay, so I need to protect all these cells. So we'll see how we can do that. Select all by Control A, then right click and go to Format Cells, or else you can press Control 1 and it will bring you to the format cells. Click on the protection tab and here you can see locked and it is checked. So by default all the cells are locked. Okay, so what we need to do, first unselect this and click on OK. If you click anywhere here, you can see that this is not locked. So what we'll do, we'll select all these cells here and we need to protect only this part. So we'll select this entire cells and go to format cells and select this locked and click on OK. So now if I'll click anywhere here and check, so this is not locked, whereas here it is locked. Okay, one more thing, if you can read it here, it is saying locking cells or hiding formulas has no effect until you protect the worksheet. So till the time we have not protected this sheet, this has no effect. Okay, so now we'll protect this entire sheet. So to protect this, go to this sheet 1, right click and click on the protect sheet. It will ask for some password, so I'll give the password as 123, enter, 123, enter. Okay, so now if you double click here, it will allow you because this was not locked, whereas if you double click here, it won't allow you because we have locked that part. Okay, so if I try to double click here, again it will not allow me. So this part is now locked. Okay, now I can save this sheet as a template. Click on save as and this PC, and in the save as type I will select Excel template and give it any name and click on save. Okay, I'll close it and this is my new template. If I will double click here, you can see this is locked. So now I can share this template with my team members so no one else can change it because these are my important formulas. So this is how we can protect our cells. Now we'll see the vice versa. I will unlock only this part and I lock the entire other part. So how I can do that? Again, Control A, select all, right click. So here it will not allow me because this sheet is now protected. So before making any changes, first I need to unprotect this. So right click here, unprotect this sheet, give the password as 123, enter. Now again go to format cells, click on the protection tab, and here first I need to unlock this, click on OK, and let's see, I can double click here, I can edit this, and this part also I can edit now. So my entire sheet is now unlocked. What I will do, again Control A, right click, format cells, and I will click on the locked and click on OK. So now all my cells in the entire sheet is locked. So if I'll check, go to format cells, it is locked, and here also if I'll select and go to format cells, this is locked. What we need to do, we need to keep unlocked only this part. So what we'll do, select this entire cells, right click, go to format cells and unselect this and click on OK. So now if you see, this cell is locked, whereas this cell is not locked. So basically anywhere here in this range, this is not locked, but anywhere else here, if I'll check, this is locked. Now what I'll do, it will take into effect when I'll protect this sheet. So again, I'll right click here, click on protect sheet, give any password, let's say 123, enter, 123, enter. Okay, so here, anywhere here, let's say I'll double click, it will not allow me because this cell is, all my cells are now protected except this part. So if I'll double click here, it will allow me. So my this range is unlocked, whereas other parts are locked. So that is how you can keep locked or unlock the cells as you want. So that's all about locking and unlocking cells. In my next video, I'll show you how to protect a sheet. So thank you so much for watching and see you soon.